Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
We're looking at this afternoon in Utica, where the snow just kept falling off and on throughout the day. We got some breaks in the clouds for a little bit of sunshine to peek through, and you can see that nice sunset there at the end of the loop. But it was definitely a winter wonderland for us today, picking up about 1 inch to 2 inches across the Utica area. New Hartford coming in at 2 inches this afternoon, and the snow is still falling now. You can see on the loop here, it's already starting to wind down a little bit, but we have several bands of lake effect snow falling across the area right now, and we could see an additional inch or so through the night tonight, but these will eventually be winding down and shutting off later tonight, leaving us nice and quiet tomorrow. And temperatures tonight will be quite cold. I'm tempted to call it frigid, but the real frigid air happens next week, so we'll call it a very cold night, down to 4 in Utica, 3 in Little Falls, 13 below 0 in Old Forge tonight. It's going to be a frigid start to the day for many tomorrow, and we'll get into only the teens and mid-20s in the afternoon, but luckily the wind chill won't be quite as big of a factor tomorrow as it is right now, and we'll still be pretty breezy here through the night tonight. You'll see on the futurecast we have the lake effect snow falling, but we'll see the wind shift, and those eventually wind down later on tonight after midnight, leaving us with a nice quiet day here on Saturday. Looking like some really nice sunshine too in the afternoon tomorrow. Nice quiet day. You'll want to get the errands done tomorrow, because by daybreak on Sunday we're already seeing the ice moving into the area. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain will all be possible during the first half of the day on Sunday. That's going to cause some very, very slick roads very quickly, so keep that in mind, especially for the first part of the day on Sunday. Temperatures will rise later in the afternoon Sunday, so we may see a little bit of rain, but then a change back over to snow later Sunday evening as temperatures come crashing down. And then the Arctic air will start to pour into our area Sunday night. Very cold here on Monday, but Monday night is when things will get dangerously cold into Tuesday morning. We'll have air temperatures below 0, so about -5 to -10 degrees. All it takes when it's that cold is just a little bit of a breeze to make the temperature dangerously cold. A 5 or 10 mile an hour wind will put us at 22 below, and when it's that cold, frostbite is possible in as little as 30 minutes. So that's Tuesday morning when it will be dangerously cold, and we'll see some very frigid mornings throughout the first half of next week. Tonight we're down to 4 degrees, very cold, but not as frigid as we will be next week. Very windy out there, and we'll see that snow eventually wrapping up for us later tonight. We're nice and mostly sunny tomorrow in the mid-20s. We'll have a nice quiet day, but then it's icy on Sunday with rain, snow, and ice all possible there, and it's very cold at the start of next week. We are expecting a windy day on a Monday, snowy as well, with lake effect snow falling there. We're down to -6 on Monday night, but it'll feel even colder with the wind chill. We're only looking at 7 now on Tuesday. The forecast there continues to trend colder. Luckily, temperatures will be bouncing back a little later in the week, and we're watching Thursday for another round of snow. We've got more of your local news coming up after these messages. Stay right here with us on WUTR.
Tonight on Dan Abrams.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dan Masowski here. Through checking on the weather, we're looking at a time lapse of downtown Utica throughout the day today. We had those lake effect snow bands moving through. It reduced visibility to less than a quarter mile throughout the day, creating some pretty hazardous road conditions. We also had temperatures decreasing throughout the day from the 20s into the teens. Now for current conditions, we're sitting at 14 degrees, and we have those winds out of the west-northwest at 15 miles per hour, which is making our feels like temperatures below 0 at this point. And for our lows tonight, we're going to be getting very chilly, below 13 degrees there in Old Forge, 4 in Utica, and 3 in Little Falls. For our high temperatures tomorrow, we're only going to be getting into the teens in the mid-20s, 19 there in Old Forge, 25 in Utica, as well as Ilion and Cooperstown, and 26 in Oneonta. Now, moving that futurecast forward tonight, we'll be seeing those snow showers starting to die down. We'll still have a couple of clouds sticking around as we go into Saturday morning just south of the Mohawk Valley, though that clears up and we'll have mostly sunny skies expected throughout the day on Saturday. It'll still be pretty chilly, though. And Saturday night, clouds increase again, and we have a wintry mix moving in for Sunday. This will continue throughout the afternoon hours. We can see here the blue, that's the snow. The purple is the ice and the freezing rain, and the green is the rain. So we're getting it all here. That'll continue into the evening hours. Once it starts getting colder, we'll see a transition to more snowfall by Sunday night. Now to recap for tonight, we'll be seeing blustery conditions with those snow showers ending. Winds out of the northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour with a low temperature of 4 degrees there, so very chilly. For tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, light winds out of the west, and a high temperature of 25 degrees. Now we are tracking some Arctic air that's going to be moving in Monday into Tuesday. That's going to be bringing some pretty cold conditions, and we can see that here, dangerously cold on the wind chill chart. We could be in this area, which basically means that we'll be seeing frostbite in about half an hour if you have that exposed skin outside. So make sure you're bundling up and limiting your time outside, especially for the start of next week. Now for your 7-day forecast, like I said before, wintry mix moving in on Sunday could create some hazardous road conditions. So make sure you're taking it easy outside. Then we do have some lake effect snow showers on Monday. That could be bringing a good couple of inches, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that for you. And look at that Monday night, a low temperature of below 6 degrees, so very cold there, and that continues into Tuesday. We'll be seeing a high temperature of only 7 degrees, very cold there. We do start to see temperatures increase into the upper 20s by Wednesday, with a couple of snow showers on Thursday, temperatures getting into the 30s again, as well as mostly cloudy skies on Friday. Now David Edelstein will have your sports highlights coming up right after the break.
Witness weather forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Sam Lasasi here with your checking on the weather. We're looking at a time lapse of downtown Utica throughout the day today. We had those lake effect snow showers that reduced visibility down to less than a quarter mile throughout parts of today, as well as temperatures slowly decreasing throughout the day. We started off in the mid-20s into the teens during the afternoon hours. Right now we're sitting at 12 degrees, and we have winds out of the northwest at 18 miles per hour, which is making our feels like temperatures at 6 below zero. For our low temperatures tonight, we're going to get really chilly, 13 degrees below zero in Old Forge, 4 in Utica, and 3 in Little Falls. Now for our high temperatures tomorrow, only getting into the teens in the mid-20s, 19 there in Old Forge, 25 in Utica, 26 in Ilion, 25 in Cooperstown, and 26 in Oneonta. Now for the futurecast, moving it forward tonight, we'll see those lake effect showers winding down. A couple of clouds sticking around just south of the Mohawk Valley, though that clears up. Mostly sunny skies are expected throughout the day on Saturday. Then clouds moving in Saturday night with a wintry mix starting off early Sunday morning. That'll continue into the afternoon hours. We could see here the blue colors, that's the snow. The purple is the freezing rain and the ice, and the green is the rain. So we got it all here. Then by the evening hours for Sunday, we'll see those cooler temperatures, so it'll be a transition to mainly snow showers by then. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have those blustery conditions with the lake effect snow showers ending. Winds out of the northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour and a low temperature of 4 degrees, so quite chilly. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, light winds out of the west, and a high temperature of 25 degrees. Now we're also tracking some Arctic air that's moving in Monday into Tuesday. This is going to be bringing some pretty dangerously cold conditions, and we could see that here with the wind chill chart. We're going to be around this area, which means that we could see frostbite in as little as half an hour. So make sure you're bundling up and especially limiting your time outside, especially for the start of next week. Now for your 7-day forecast, we'll be seeing those temperatures in the 20s for tomorrow, as well as in the upper 30s for Sunday, though we do have that wintry mix moving through, which could create some hazardous road conditions. So make sure you're taking it easy on the roads if you're going to be traveling on Sunday. We do have a couple of lake effect snow showers expected on Monday. Could bring several inches there, and then very chilly for Monday night, 6 below zero. And then for Tuesday, a high temperature of only 7 degrees. We do start to warm back up into the upper 20s by Wednesday, and then into the 30s by Thursday with a couple of snow showers there and mostly cloudy skies expected for Friday. We have more Eyewitness News coming up right after the break.